In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the issue of a failed withdrawal with Kalshi. This can be a frustrating problem, but by following these steps, you can resolve it efficiently. Let's dive right in. To begin, you'll want to navigate to the Kalshi website. Kalshi is an innovative prediction market where you can trade on future events. Once you're there, look for the support section. It's typically visible on the main page and is your first port of call when dealing with any issues or technical difficulties. After locating the support tab, click on it to proceed to the Help Center. The Help Center is essentially a treasure trove of information designed to guide users like you through any troubleshooting processes that may be necessary. It's essential to familiarize yourself with this area as it will aid you greatly throughout this process. Within the Help Center, find and select Transfer Funds. This section provides specific insights and solutions related to fund transfers, which is directly related to our withdrawal issue. It's crafted to address all those nuances associated with financial transactions, so it's incredibly useful for identifying potential setbacks. Next, click on the Transfers FAQ link. This FAQ is designed to answer the most common questions and concerns related to fund transfers. It's a great starting point to understand the typical hurdles users face and provides much needed clarity on common issues. As you go through the FAQ, you'll find that one of the most common questions asked is why debit withdrawals are not transferred instantly. Understanding this can immediately relieve some confusion and frustration. Another common question concerns the inability to withdraw all of the funds instantly. This is often due to specific regulations or holds that are in place to ensure compliance and security. Speaking of holds, debit card deposits, for instance, are usually available for withdrawal after 3 days. Knowing this helps set clear expectations about timing. In the case of bank transfers, if the withdrawal is coming from the same bank, usually the funds become available after 7 days. However, if the transfer is from a different bank, then the available time extends to 90 days. These timelines can seem lengthy, but they're implemented as a security measure to protect your assets and ensure the integrity of each transaction. Finally, understand that these holds and the security protocols surrounding them are in place to ensure transaction security and protect your account. While they may seem cumbersome, they are essential for safeguarding your financial interactions online. By following these steps and understanding the reasoning behind the protocols, you'll be better equipped to address any failed withdrawal issues on Kalshi. If further assistance is needed, don't hesitate to contact their support team for more personalized help. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful.